guys, it's Marie with WTI. Do you like crafts?
This is really a bag of goodies for a crafter. I love everything in here, and the bag makes it so easy to store. I use a lot of paint, so it really keeps the supplies clean. My kids love to do different projects with them, and I like it because they like different things. So there's so many options in there. My son likes pipe cleaners because you can make Spider-Man or action figures or just make them be in a line like a web. My daughter loves the stickers more. She likes to make patterns, which is really good educational wise, or she just likes to stick them on paper or decorate different crafts that she does.
The possibilities are endless with these crafts. There's so many different things you can do, so many different ideas. I always cannot wait to see what we all come up with. This product is so much fun, and that's my point of view.